Achieving a chrome application like this is so simple. All you need is your gel polish of choice, the chrome, and the applicator. You're going to take either your white gel or your black gel and apply a pretty thin, even layer across the acrylic or the natural nail. The reasons you use white or black is to change the underlying base color. If you want to be more white, you use white. If you want to be darker, you use black. Once you apply this application, then you're going to cure for 30 seconds. Once you have cured, you're going to take it out and use the applicator to then apply the dust. The key to this is making sure that you always have some powder on the end of your applicator. If not, it's going to cause smudging and the base product you use is going to start to rub off. In any areas you apply the white or the black gel polish, you're going to completely cover that with the powder and rub in for a smoother effect. Dust off any remaining powder you might see. Take a brush with some acetone on it and clean up your edges. This makes the excess powder come right off. After that, you top coat and you're completely done with this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.